So I'm doing laundry right now. I am really behind on all my chores. Oh my gosh, my nursing bra is showing. It's so hot in the house. Our air conditioning is broke for like the probably 5th time this summer, and it's like 80 degrees in here, which is so unbearable. But luckily we have a lot of fans and we have a portable air conditioner, so that is how we are surviving. Our apartment sucks, and literally every time they've tried to fix it, it just keeps breaking again. Say hi, Killian. Sorry, my room is a mess. Like I said, I'm super behind on house chores. I had a lot going on this week. This is I don't know what this chair is called, but this is one of those chairs that you can put it in different modes, and it kind of helps them to learn how to sit up. So that's how he's sitting up right now. And he is going to town on his little mushroom thing. Hey, dude. So while I fold my laundry, I thought I would talk to you guys about just some plans that I have coming up these next few weeks with Killian, and then I was also going to show you how I organize his baby clothes and like kind of the system that I have going, because as you guys may know, if you have babies, they grow very, very fast. So you kind of have to have like an organization system for like all the different sizes of clothing. So he is 4 months old, but he fits in clothing literally anywhere from 6 to 9 months to 3 to 6 months. So I'm not really sure how baby sizes work. I think it just depends on the brand. But yeah, it just surprised me the other day because I bought him like this 9-month onesie and he already fit into it, and he's, like I said, 4 months. So yeah, he's been growing pretty fast. But yeah, so I will show you that in a second, but I just gotta get through all this laundry. And gosh, I don't even remember what I said at the beginning of this video. What was I going to talk about? Oh yes, so the things that I have planned coming up. So we are actually taking a trip to San Francisco. We're going to visit one of my good friends from high school. She actually just got engaged. If you're watching, congratulations, Shannon. But yeah, so we are coincidentally going out there, and I guess we're going to celebrate her engagement, but really we just wanted to, you know, go somewhere, and we love going to San Francisco, and I love visiting my friend, so that is just kind of what we decided. And then I was also going to do a pack with me video, but not everybody loves those when I put those on my channel, so I was thinking that I'll do maybe like a vlog, and then I'll pack in that vlog, so I can kind of tell you maybe what we're doing on the trip, and then all the things that I'm planning to bring with me, because packing is so different now with a baby. Like, you guys would know if you watch my packing videos that it's literally one of my favorite things in the world. I know, I'm so strange. Packing stresses so many people out, but it literally brings me joy. Like, I pack for trips like months and months and months in advance. For example, I'm already packing for my Cancun trip in October and my Thailand trip in December, and it's currently August. So yeah, I'm kind of a crazy person in that way. But yes, I love to pack, but now with the baby, packing is just so different. Especially packing in advance, like as far in advance as I do, because I don't really know what size the baby's going to be then, and I don't know like what his needs are going to be when it comes to like that age. Babies change every single week, every single day. So yeah, I'm just trying to do my best, but I figure since the San Francisco one is pretty close, I would show you guys what I'm bringing for that one when Killian is I guess he'll be 5 months old then. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in that. I also wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of videos I have planned scheduled, because I am very curious to know if these are like the kind of things you're interested in. So of course I do have a few luxury videos that I'm planning in the pipeline. So one of them is going to be a classic Chanel bag comparison. So in that video, I was thinking of comparing my new Chanel 19 bag. If you guys haven't watched that unboxing, I will link it below. Go watch that one. I know that bag technically isn't considered a classic bag, but it's got that like Chanel classic bag vibe. And I mean, I definitely think that it, you know, might become one of those bags that is just, you know how like the boy bag is not technically a classic bag, but it kind of is. So yeah, I think the Chanel 19 might be headed in that direction. So I was thinking, yeah, I would compare the Chanel 19 bag, the Chanel boy bag, the classic flap, and then what do you guys think? Like, should I compare the Coco handle or the trendy CC to that, or are those kind of like more trendier bags? I guess I wouldn't consider those a classic. But yeah, let me know if you want me to add anything else into that video. Otherwise, I probably will just do the three, the classic flap, the boy bag, and the Chanel 19. Sorry, Gillian's being crazy. What's up, dude? And then I was also thinking for one of my vlogs, I would do a Q&A video. So let me know any questions that you guys have in the comment section down below, either in this one, or I'll probably do like an Instagram post and a YouTube like community post to ask you guys about the questions, because I know that you guys like don't always catch my like Q&As on Instagram and everything like that, and yeah, it's just fun to do when you're vlogging like this. Maybe I'll do like a get ready with me and answer some questions. I don't know. What else? Oh yes, sorry, just smacked my face with the towel. One question that I get asked a lot about is, can you talk about your tattoos? So for the people who are interested in my tattoos, please let me know what you're interested in. Like, do you just want me to like show you them? Do you have specific ones that you want me to like tell you about? Not all of my tattoos have meaning. I know that's usually the stereotype, but I mainly get tattoos because they're pretty, and of course some of them do have meaning. Or should I show you just like some of my favorite ones if I have stories behind them? Let me know what you want to know, because as a lot of people don't hesitate to tell me, I also do have people that aren't fans of my tattoos at all. So I would just love to know what you want to know if you are interested. I think for this vlog, gosh, I don't even know. Oh, duh. So I was going to tell you about this wrist thing that I have, because some people did ask me on my last video. I was kind of like showing it here and there, but I never talked about it. So I have, I guess, what is called mommy's thumb, colloquially known as mommy's thumb. But I guess technically it's some sort of, I want to say like tendonitis. It's basically an inflammation of this thumb joint right here, and apparently it almost exclusively happens to first-time moms or primary caregivers, because it comes from like the motion of holding your baby's head up, especially if you are nursing, which I think is what happened to me because I am exclusively breastfeeding. And also, this is my scrolling thumb, so I feel like it was already kind of predispositioned to not break, but you know, get injured. So yeah, that is what happened. That is why I am wearing this brace. This is called a spica brace, I believe, so it just keeps my thumb from moving. It hurts a lot, and like I said, it's just like inflamed, and some people are kind of scaring me because a lot of people have said that theirs hasn't gone away, or theirs took like months to a year to go away. So I'm hoping that if I just keep wearing the splint and not use it, and then also I'm icing it every night, that it'll go away. But who knows? It's very painful. And yeah, it's just so unfair that it's literally just like a mommy's, not disease, but injury. So yeah, that is what happened here. Thank you guys so much for commenting, like those of you who messaged me and commented and helped me figure out what it was, because I literally had no idea. Alright, I think I'm pretty much done with the laundry. So let me show you how I'm organizing Killian's clothing in these drawers right here. So this is the drawer that we're on now. This is basically how I organize everything though. So I have a little label maker that I put labels on so that I remember the sizes. So these two right here are the 3 to 6 month sizes, and then these are the 6 to 9 months. So he's kind of like around this section. This is where I'm keeping his short sleeved onesies, and then these are his long sleeved onesies. And yeah, I just kind of roll them up. I feel like this is the easiest way to this is a 9-month one. The easiest way to organize them and kind of see what each one is. It's just so much faster than folding, so just do that. And then I think, yeah, so these ones are pretty much the same. I don't think I organized these yet, but I did like just throw the clothing in there. And then at the bottom I do have his these are all the pants that I've bought him in various different sizes, and then these are like shirts and shorts and stuff like that. So this is basically like the non-onesie drawer. And then in this drawer I do have just some random clothing, some accessories like socks, and then some of the like big 1-year clothing that I'm not sure where I'm gonna put yet, because I've just preemptively bought so many cute clothes for him. Hey, so I got sick again. Sorry that there wasn't a vlog last week, but yeah, I worked a couple of days in a row because Noah had the weekend off and he went on a bachelor party trip, and then I think it was just a combination of me working every day this weekend, or that past weekend, and the lack of sleep from Killian's still ongoing sleep regression. And then also I went to that concert, so yeah, I think it was just a little bit too much for my shot immune system. I don't even know what I have. I think it's just a cold, because I've been taking a COVID test basically every single day since my symptoms started, and it's been negative every single time. So yeah, I think it's just my immune system's probably weakened because of all the stress and lack of sleep. And then yeah, so I'm back at it now. I feel a little bit better today. I still am a little bit tired, but I feel good enough to go do things. So Killian and I are at the mall right now. I actually ordered something that I saw the other day in Kate Spade, and I decided to pick it up at Nordstrom because they have one in a color that I really wanted, and I think you'll be really surprised about what this bag is. I'm actually recording a video right after this that are more dupes, like high quality high street dupes for luxury bags that I found, and this bag that I'm picking up is actually going to be in my video, and I'm really excited because it's a bag that you guys are going to have never seen coming, and the bag that it's actually a dupe for, I've never even really looked at it until a couple of days ago, and for some reason this one just caught my eye. I think that those videos do pretty well on my channel. You guys love seeing, you know, high-end dupes for even higher end luxury bags. Killian actually fell asleep in the car ride. You can see him right there. I'm gonna have to wake him up to bring him in. I just walked past this in Nordstrom. Look how cute this Coach bag is. It's kind of small, but I really like it, and I think that this Coach bag comes in different colors too. This is kind of cute. So I guess that it expands, so you can zip up the middle part, and then it's like a regular size tote, and then you can expand it to make it a larger one. I love using these Longchamp totes for travel. I feel like this one would be really great. This one looks just like the YSL bags, doesn't it? This is from Rebecca Minkoff. Maybe we'll include this in my next dupes video too. So this was that Coach bag that I just saw on the mannequin. Isn't it cute? I mean, obviously not this color for me, but I feel like this size and everything is so cute. I feel like I'm just seeing dupes everywhere. Like, doesn't this look like a dupe for the Bottega Veneta bags? And this is from All Saints. Tory Burch is also getting really hard in the dupes game. This looks exactly like the Prada Re-Edition bag. It's actually really cute. I like how there's that metal chain and the nylon strap too. Okay, I'm at Macy's now, and the dupes hut continues. Look how much this looks like the large YSL Lulu. The logo is even similar, how they stack the logo. This is Steve Madden. It comes in other colors too. Alright, we successfully picked up my item, and I'm going to give you a little sneak preview for those of you who watch my vlogs. There's the color of the bag. And it's from I don't know if I said it already, but it is a Kate Spade bag. So yeah, stay tuned for my video on Sunday to see what this bag is, and to also see a collection or a variety of different dupes that I've also found that I want to talk to you guys about. And I will say now that this bag is a dupe for a Bottega Veneta bag. Yes, I wasn't going to reveal it to you, but I'm so excited that I'll just give you a sneak preview and leave it at that. So please join me next Sunday for my next dupes video. I found a lot of cool bags that I think you'll really like. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I will see you next time. Bye!